Well, it's, at least some of us on this side, at least for speaking for myself, believe in the autonomy of the individual. And I think people are entitled to have a relationship of whatever kind, whether it's the same sex or not. I think that needs to be celebrated because that's the way society is moving forward. But having said that, assuming your lordships were to say it is a valid marriage, it's fair, your lordships can say that. Now, supposing the marriage breaks down, they've adopted a child, what's going to happen? Who's going to be the father? Who's going to be the tenant? Under procedural criminal law, who is the woman? Who will pay maintenance? These are very, very serious societal consequences of that declaration. Either you take it as a whole or don't take it at all. I'm not averse to either. But if you do it piecemeal, it'll create more problems for that unity, for that union, for those two people, whether they're women or they are. In other legislations, when this has been done, if you look at the legislations around the world, they actually reform all the other laws in tandem with it. If you do it piecemeal, you will actually be hurting that very community. And that's very dangerous. I am all for it personally, but I'm not in this fashion.
So are you saying do everything?
Either you do everything or you do nothing. But if you do it piecemeal, you're going to hurt that union.
You are representing which state? Sorry.
Well, I'm not representing anybody. In fact, I need not even argue because your lordships are leaving out personal law for Jamaat. So I need not even argue. But I'm just,
I just want to know.
An officer of the court.
I want to know which is the group you represent.
Yes.
If you're not representing.
I'm sorry?
Which is the group you represent?
The Jamaat, Jamaat ulama.
They're not parties.
Therefore, I am out of it, really, because your lordships have clarified it. I don't have to be here. But I want to, just as having practiced here for so many years, I need to.
Yes.
These are very, very complex, serious issues. If you decide it piecemeal, it's going to have huge ramifications. There'll be ghettoization. Imagine the impact in a village.
Mr. Sibal, what we can do is that
Yeah.
at the latter part of the arguments, we'd like you to assist the court for about half an hour or so. Please do.
Deeply.
We come back.